If you're a home builder looking to streamline your business, CoConstruct's best features could be the game changer you've been waiting for. In this video, we're going to dive into exactly how CoConstruct can simplify your workflow and help you deliver projects with greater efficiency. Stick around, because there's a feature at the end that can save you hours of work every week. Before we get started, did you know you can use CoConstruct completely free with our exclusive bonuses? Just click the first link in the description to get started. Now, let's jump into the top features of CoConstruct for home builders. The first thing to talk about is CoConstruct's project management capabilities. Whether you're working on one project or several, CoConstruct helps you keep track of everything in one place. From managing timelines to handling budgets and tracking progress, it gives you the tools to ensure that no detail is overlooked. You can easily collaborate with your team, subcontractors, and clients, so everyone stays on the same page. Next, CoConstruct shines in client communication. It allows you to create a personalized client portal where they can view updates on their project in real time, approve decisions, and access any necessary documents. This reduces the back-and-forth communication and minimizes confusion. Clients will appreciate how much easier it is to stay informed, and it frees up your time for more important tasks. The third thing CoConstruct offers is a budgeting and cost tracking system. Budgeting in construction is always a challenge, but CoConstruct makes it easier by tracking expenses and giving you visibility over the entire budget. You can compare projected versus actual costs and make adjustments on the fly. With CoConstruct's tools, you can minimize the risk of cost overruns and stay within budget more consistently. The fourth thing to consider is change order management. Changes happen during construction. It's part of the job. But managing them can be tedious. CoConstruct simplifies the process by allowing you to track and manage change orders in a central place. You can easily update estimates, get approvals from clients, and ensure that everyone involved is on the same page. This helps prevent misunderstandings and costly mistakes later down the line. Now let's talk about scheduling and task management. CoConstruct's intuitive scheduling feature allows you to keep your projects on track. You can set deadlines, assign tasks to team members, and even send automatic reminders to keep everything running smoothly. The system can automatically adjust schedules when delays occur, ensuring that nothing falls through the cracks. Finally, one of CoConstruct's most powerful features is its integrations with accounting software like QuickBooks and Xero. This integration saves you tons of time by syncing your financials, so you don't have to manually update multiple systems. It ensures your accounting records are accurate and up to date, letting you focus more on building and less on paperwork. In summary, CoConstruct offers a complete solution to home builders looking to streamline project management, improve client communication, track budgets, manage changes, schedule tasks, and integrate with accounting systems. All of these features work together seamlessly to make your life easier and your business more efficient. And remember, you can try CoConstruct for free by clicking the first link below and getting our exclusive extended trial. You won't find this offer anywhere else. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out the link to CoConstruct in the description.